What is the name of our first prophet? What is the name of our last prophet?
Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam.
Who was the best companion of prophet?
Abu Bakr Siddiq radhiyallahu anhu.
When do we celebrate Rabiul Day?
Rabiul Awwal 12th.
What is the biggest flower in the world?
Rafflesia.
When did we get independent?
August 15.
Which is the first month of Arabic calendar?
Muharram.
When do we celebrate Kerala Piravi?
November 1st.
What is the biggest district in Kerala?
Palakkad.
Name of the animal now as sheep of desert.
Camel.
Name the place where the Holy Quran was revealed.
Hira Guha.
Name the surah known as heart of the Quran.
Surah Yasin.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam.